Hi guys, this is Nice Po. So today we're gonna talk about the Gateron Oil King. The Gateron Oil King, I think is the most popular budget switch for the premium keyboard. I know it has high price, but it's worth it because it sounds very good. Look at this sound. By the way, this is loop already. So the Oil King switch features the palm is for stem, the nylon is for top housing, the ink housing material is for the bottom housing. For the actuation point is 55.5 grams. The bottom out is 65 plus 5 gram. The spring is 20 millimeter. The total travel is 4.0 millimeter. It's PCB mount and 5 pin. It's MX styles and factory loop already if you didn't loop by yourself. The price are average like 0.65 per switch. So let's head to the keyboard. Yeah, let's go. So, if you love it or not, it's still your choice. If you want to get Gateron Oil King or other switch, if you love the sound of talkie and also clacky, I prefer Oil King. But if you want talkie, you can watch others video or my video, like Echo Creamiel. This the cream sound. So, bye bye. This is the end of this Oil King switch review. Yeah.